This train.
Welcome to the States, 47. This should be a straightforward operation. We need you to penetrate an abandoned amusement park, locate the owner, and take him out. The target is a Joseph Clarence, also known as Swing King. An accident involving one of the rides at the park a few years back forced him to close it down. Our client has made a special request that the photograph you have in your possession be the last thing the target sees. Mr. Clarence has somehow become involved with a narcotics distribution ring, so the park may still have some amusements. Enjoy the ride, 47.
What the fuck you looking? Shit, nigga. Divorce lawyers ain't gonna prosecute your bony black ass. Divorce lawyers don't do shit but fuck a brother over when his bitch run off. Oh, Fleet was married. But what the fuck that weasel ass motherfucker? Used to be rich. He's broke bitch now. Exactly why his old lady is divorcing his ass. So you think your cracker's a cop? Or what? Man, I got to get my ass around. Hold up! Hey! Stop that son of a bitch! Whatever you want. That's good. It doesn't sound sincere, but it's good.
Don't do anything stupid, pal.
Who? Yo, hold up! Ah! Hey! Yo, hold up! Hey! Check. Check. Yo! Gotta check you, white bread. Alright, you cool. Shit's all fucked up.
I can get the money.
What the fuck? Fucking elevator ain't working. Shit, man. Somebody's gotta fix this motherfucker.
It's Pino.
Fine to take, bitch. What you got on underneath all that?
Very, very little.
Oh, yeah. Fine looking bitch like you don't need no fancy wrapping, do she?
Depends who's unwrapping me.
God damn, girl. I'd have your fine ass unwrapped before you could say, who's that handsome stud untie my ribbon?
I bet you could. Oops. That's Uncle Joe. Better get back to your post.
Any papers today, Caroline?
No, Uncle Joe.
You sure? You haven't been flirting with that bum out there all day, have you?
I swear to God, Uncle Joe, no one's come by at all. Except Dell. And he's not a bum.
Sure he's not. Thanks, Caroline. That's all.
Are you all right?
Yeah, fine. Go on. It's not baby cakes. Baby, Rachel. Baby, Rachel. Who the hell are you? How'd you get in here? Carol Ann!
My client has hired me to show you this photograph.
I don't understand.
My client has asked me to ensure it's the last thing you ever see. Please, look at the photograph, Mr. Clarence.
No. Please. Have thyself.
We got an intruder, Scoop. Some motherfucker busted in on Jay-Z's watch.
You know, I don't like uninvited guests.
I was gonna bust a cap in his ass, Scoop.